Morning, guys. So I'm sorry I've been MIA. I'm going to school every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, because I wanted to finish on my hours so I can finish school early, because I need time to start recording my videos and do stuff, get my life together. So that's the reason why I haven't been posting. So I'm basically have 3 more days at school, and today is Sunday. I have to go to school today because they're having a catwalk fashion show competition, and I'm going to help out so I can get some hours so I can leave school by Tuesday. Tuesday should be my last day. So this is a vlog. I'm gonna bring you throughout my day. Also, I'm gonna show you guys. I don't think for my last day I want to look nice. I want to look so nice. I want to take pictures and stuff for my last day at school. And I don't think I want to wear my pixie cut because it needs to cut, and I don't want to cut it myself. I want to go to a hair salon, but I can't go until I finish school and and get stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna make a wig. Dsoarhair company, they send me some hair. Let me show you guys what they sent me, and I think I'm gonna make a wig and wear it. I'm gonna make it before I go to school. I have to reach the school by 12. Some mink lashes. These are really pretty. And I got a beauty blender as well. It's really soft. I can tell that when I wet it, it's gonna be really nice. I'm gonna try to do my makeup also with this. I just want something to grab and go, so I think I'm gonna focus on this one today, and I'll do this another time. But I'll have all the information in the description link of the hair, and also there's a discount code as well, which I'll make a small commission from if you guys purchase using my discount code. I'm going to put it on screen, and also it's going to be on the description bar so you guys can check out Dsoarhair. I've used their hair before and I really love it. I really love it. I also used their hair for one of my clients, my friend. She asked me to make a wig, and I bought some hair from them. I let her buy some hair from them, and she really loved the hair, and she still have it, and it's been a year. So I really love this hair. Okay, so this is how the ends look. I mean, it's 24 inches. The longer the length, the less hair you get. There's not really split ends. I always cut my ends anyway. That's just me. I just always do it. This is the texture and the curl pattern. I love it. It feels good. So I'm gonna co-wash it, and then I'm gonna make the wig. So this is the amount of hair that's shed from all 3 bundles. This is not a lot, to be honest. This is not. Good morning, guys. Don't mind how ashy I am, but today is the day. Well, yesterday was my final day at school, really. Not really, because I left at hour so I can clock out with my friend Frankie. She been asking me to clock out with her. They have this thing at school that I think I explained that in my last video. So today is the day. It's like, I think it's like 8 o'clock now, and I'm going to go to school at 9:30 so I can finish by, have 1.5 hours. So I'll finish by 11. I should be finished by 11 and we can both clock out together. So today is the day. I took a shower. I'm about to do my hair and my makeup, vlog style. And I finished the wig. Let me show you guys the wig. It's so nice. And I'm going to wear it today. So I can't wait. So yeah, my place. Also, I won't be talking while I'm doing my makeup. I'm going to do like a brown smoky eye. I want to kind of show it a little bit, but not too much. And a brown smoky eye is like my little thing that I normally do. To, you know, to do like a jazz something, and then simple glossy lips, lashes, that's it. But just a brown smoky eye. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk through, as I said. I'm just gonna run through, speed it up so you guys can see. That's it. And I'm also gonna try the sponge that I got in the package, and this is wet now. This is damp, so it's very soft. It's not as bad as how I thought it would be. So I'm gonna use it and see how that works as well. So yeah, bye. Guys, I'm finished getting ready and this is what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing today. Don't mind the mess. It's our last day. Oh. And we're here, Miss Leanne.
Frankie did my hair. Alright.
Miss Leanne, you gonna miss me?
I'm gonna miss you terribly. So much. I don't want you to go. Don't go. Please don't go.
I'm special.
Please don't go.
Not as well.
I'm special on you.
No, you're not.
I don't want either one of you to go.
I'm gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you.
A few people I'm gonna miss. You're one of them.
Oh, yay.
That was
But I want you to keep in touch.
I will.
Absolutely.
Definitely. Your hair looks nice.
Thanks.
I don't know who did it, but it looks nice.
Come on, let's all picture it up.
Is it a picture? That's a video.
Wait a minute.
It's from my vlog.
Oh my god.
Say hi.
Hi.
We're leaving today. We're done with this place.
No.
Finished.
Don't want them to leave. No, 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 no. Love them too much. You can't go. I said no.
I love her, but I don't like her.
She loves
I love
me.
you right back.
She loves me too.
I don't like her.
So gonna miss that birthday relationship, but the two of you.
Are you crying, Kristen?
Oh, there's no tears here.
Thank you.
I'm a G. I don't cry.
That's true.
Is it a picture?
Yes,
Picture video.
both.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
Me.
Wait, where I'm looking.
Where?